This program is tailored for students who have already completed the first cycle of studies and who wish to better understand and contribute to corporate decision-making. It's a complex topic that involves a broad series of skills and where thinking outside of the box and bringing different perspectives to the table is required. So, if you are curious, analytical-minded, and want to contribute to some of the most complex and interesting questions of the business world, this program is for you. Students that enroll in the program will gain a good understanding of how organizations decide and will learn to use the tools they mobilize in this framework. They will also learn to structure their thinking in order to become proficient at problem-solving in an analytical way. Through direct corporate exposure and international experiences, they will also gain the know-how to become fluent professionals. Well, a time of the year I would look forward would be the international experience. Our students are sent to partner universities throughout the world and they have to work on international consulting experience. So it's really a great moment where both the academic and personal dimensions of our teaching come together. So I think our students really enjoy this time and it's one of the key highlights of their time with us. Curiosity. You need to be open-minded and able to navigate various industries. Commitment. You need commitment to work on some of the most interesting and complex topics of our times, and to prove the worthiness of your opinion. Analysis. You need to be willing to examine an issue under all its aspects and to dive deeper to truly understand the problem.